Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here. It is by this brand right here, and it is a coffee roaster machine. It says speedy, easy to clean, and safety. So let's go ahead and get right into this, and I'm going to show you guys how to use it. So you have your user manual right here. Okay, as you can see, when I plugged it in, it made a beeping noise. So you have your functions right here. It has your timer. It has your on and off button. It has your fan buttons and your heat buttons. Let me go ahead and open this up and see what it says. It says step 1, fill the coffee beans into the glass cup, which is this right here. So I'm going to open it. And it says to fill them in there. Right. So it says to fill your coffee beans in here, so that's what I'm going to do. So now that I have my coffee beans, I'm going to put this part right here down first. So it says you go like this. That's secure. Then you're going to put this on top of here, like so. And then it says you grab this. And we're going to put it like this, and then screw it over like that. And as you can see, it's all sealed. And then step 4, we're going to put it on this. I'm going to push it over. As you can see, it's locked in place, and it has a little line right here. When you push it over, that's unlocked. When you push it this way, it's going to lock it. And now it says for fan, it goes from level 1 to 8. Timer, you can do from 10 seconds per unit, and maximum time is 15 minutes. Press the button to start, the start button. So I'm going to start. As you can see, it's on. And then press the button to start the auto mode. Default 10 minutes with heating level 6, fan 8. So I'm actually just going to put it on auto, which is right here. Press the button to start auto mode. So I'm going to press auto. So as you can see, it has all this steam coming out. Okay, so I went ahead and turned it off. But as you can see, like, it has the different levels that you can do. This was already a dark roasted coffee, so I didn't want to leave it in there too long. I need to actually order some unroasted coffee beans for this, but I wanted to show you guys how it works. It smells really good. And then you just want to open up this. And as you can see, that is your dark roasted coffee beans. So it works really good. You just need to figure out what roast you want to do. So on this one, it tells you the different levels on this side. And then on this side, it'll tell you like the different roasts that you can do. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.